Hi, Namaste. I'm Raj, and welcome to my channel, Raj Mushahari TV. And today I bring forth to you an unboxing of cinematic projector by Harman Kardon, a South Korean company. It's a small thing, but compact thing, but looks quite strong. Let's see it. This is how it looks when it is unboxed. Small, sturdy. It comes wrapped in a big black box. This is the lens and the remote sensor in front, and it is written ViewSonic. This is the black sturdy box, and it says 59,000 M1 portable cinema. But if you search up at the Amazon.com, you would get it at around 33,600 something. When you go to the field, when you actually go and work with people in the villages, where you want to show some slides, you want to show some videos, you want to show some some of your project work, this is supposed to be going to help you. This is the sticker which we have to open, and this is the seal basically. And so we open it with a key. That's because we don't have a knife, and here it is, a little bit of struggle with. So here is the machine in a soft pouch, silver gray pouch, and it looks like a small transistor, it has a plasticky finish, but checker matte finish too. Yeah, it's quite plasticky, but looks quite sturdy, and the quality as it might be quite good. That is what I get the feeling. It has got its inbuilt speaker, looks tiny, but let's see how is the output. And here it says Harman Kardon, and here it says 2.5 to 6 hours of lasting. One charge lasts that much. I did not bad. You can even watch a movie with this. Yeah, so the power button is behind, and as I said, in the front there is the lens and the remote sensors, and on the side there is a white wheel which adjusts the focus. And in the panel, the blue panel that comes on the screen, it says whether you would like to use the HDMI cable port, the USB, the micro SD card slot, whatever you want to, you have to choose. You can choose manually in the given the button panel behind, or also you can use the remote that is supplied with this machine. It is actually, I'm projecting from very nearby, as you can see, but if you take it a little far away, and the projection gets bigger, and it almost feels like a home theater, the ambience wise, and the color looks quite good too. But I would like to take you to a real meeting in a village situation after some time, where we will actually test the sound. This is the back panel. You see, this is the on and off button or enter button coupled as one, and there is plus and minus button, and there is back button in the behind. So I'd like to take you, as I said, to a real meeting situation where we would like to test the sound and picture quality also, and the audience reaction and overall experience of using it. Yeah, now I'm shutting it down again, and so far so good. It looks quite good, and I'll give some charge before taking it to the meeting. And now next, what is there? There is the remote. As I said, the remote, it doesn't come with batteries, but you have to put two small batteries as you use for your TV set. Yeah, looks quite good. small, and from the front you have to use the remote sensor is in the front panel. Yeah, and further down there in the black box are the adapters for charging, and there is a cable supplied. It is basically a mobile to the projector connection cable, sort of mini HDMI, where you can project from your mobile directly to the screen here. Yeah, quite good quality. Looks very good. Yeah, so nothing else. That's all. Yeah, and now let's see the back panel. So you can open this flap and it will show micro SD, DC, USB-C, HDMI, earphone, USB reader. So you can also show videos from your USB directly, that is stored in the USB. And here I'm charging with the DC cable, and after the charge. So friends, I tell you, you're gonna like this machine, and I'm gonna like it in a field situation. Let's see how really it comes out in a field situation. So let's take you there and see.
He realized that he'd lost the race only because he had been overconfident.
किसको करवानी चाहिए, कब करवानी चाहिए, तथा इसके बाद में क्या करना चाहिए। साथ ही जो आपके सवाल हैं मोटे-मोटे, उनके जवाब वीडियो के एंड में मैं जरूर देने वाला हूँ। बने रहिए वीडियो में, स्किप मत कीजिए, बहुत हेल्पफुल।
Awesome! What picture quality! My small machine, big result. I tell you, you won't regret. 59,000 may be a little bigger on your pocket, heavier on your pocket, but this is a powerful machine to carry around for your webinars and seminars. So friends, hope you have liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and until the next video, I sign off.